Do you ever feel like your messages just don't get the response you expect? You pour your thoughts into a text, but it seems like your words vanish into thin air. It's frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a way to never be ignored again? Imagine being able to send a message that's so powerful, so magnetic, that it demands a response. That leaves the other person thinking about you long after they've read it. I'm about to reveal 7 psychology-backed messaging techniques that will transform your communication game. Whether you're trying to reconnect with someone, spark intrigue, or make a lasting impression, these techniques will ensure you stand out every time. So let's dive in. 1. The curiosity tease, leaving them wanting more. First up, curiosity. Humans are wired to want what they can't have, and you can use this to your advantage. Here's how you do it. Instead of texting something obvious like, "Hey, how's your day?" try something like, "I just saw something that made me think of you. I'll tell you more when I see you." Or, "There's something I've been meaning to tell you, but it's a bit complicated to explain over text." Notice the difference? By leaving a little bit of mystery, you spark their curiosity. They'll wonder, what did they see, or what do they want to tell me? The key here is to leave them hungry for more without giving them everything all at once. 2. The only you effect. Make them feel special. Next up, the only you effect. This one is all about making someone feel like they're the only person in the world who possesses a unique quality that you value deeply. Here's how you do it. You know, I don't think I've ever met anyone who handles things the way you do. It's rare to see that. You've got a way of seeing things that's completely different from everyone else, and I love that about you. This type of message works wonders because it makes the person feel like no one else compares to them in your eyes. It highlights something personal and special about them that others may overlook. And who doesn't want to feel seen and appreciated? 3. The unanswered question. Keep them guessing. Now, let's take things up a notch with the unanswered question technique. This one's all about creating a little bit of mystery and anticipation. For example, try texting. "There's a question I've been dying to ask you, but I'm not sure if you're ready for it." Or, "I've been thinking about something, but I'm not sure if I should bring it up just yet." This kind of message taps into the unknown, making the other person wonder, what's the question? Why haven't they asked me yet? It creates a small gap in the conversation that they'll feel compelled to fill, pulling them in and keeping them on the edge of their seat. 4. The anticipation builder, the power of waiting. Want to really grab their attention? Use the anticipation builder. It's like setting up a surprise, without revealing all the details. Here's an example. "I have a plan for us, but I'll tell you more later. Trust me, it'll be worth the wait." Or, "I came across something today that made me think of you. I'll tell you about it soon." What you're doing here is creating anticipation. The other person will be wondering, what's the plan? What did they find? It keeps them engaged, looking forward to your next message, and wondering what exciting surprise awaits them. 5. The can't-miss opportunity. Make them feel like they're being chosen. Imagine walking past a store with a one-day-only sign in the window. Suddenly, that item is irresistible. That's the feeling you want to create with the can't-miss opportunity message. For example, "I've got this crazy idea that I think you'll love, but it's a now-or-never kind of thing. There's something happening this weekend that's too good to miss, and I can't wait to tell you about it." This creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity, making them feel like they're being let in on something special. It gets them excited, thinking they'll be missing out if they don't respond quickly. FOMO at its finest. 6. The stoic appreciation. Value the quiet strength. This one's a game changer. The stoic appreciation message. This isn't about grand, over-the-top compliments. It's about recognizing the subtle, often overlooked strengths that others bring to the table. Try something like, "You have this calm way of handling stress that I really admire. Not many people can do that. I love how you stay true to your values, even when it's tough. It's something I really respect." This message is powerful because it acknowledges qualities that don't often get the spotlight, like resilience or steadfastness. It shows that you're paying attention to the deeper layers of who they are, which makes them feel respected and understood in a way that goes beyond surface-level compliments. 7. The open loop. Leave them wanting more. Finally, the open loop. This is all about keeping a conversation going by leaving a little cliffhanger. It creates an ongoing sense of intrigue that ensures they'll be thinking about you long after the conversation ends. For instance, I overheard something about you today, but I'm still not sure if it's true. There's a funny story I have for you, but I'll save it for when I see you. The magic here is in the pause. You're hinting at something, but not giving it all away. The other person will feel compelled to come back to you, to keep the conversation going, just to find out the missing piece. Conclusion. There you have it. 7 unforgettable messaging strategies that will ensure you're never ignored again. These techniques are designed to make your messages irresistible, whether you're reigniting a conversation or sparking a new one. The key is to remember that it's not just about the words you send, it's about how you make them feel. Curiosity, anticipation, and genuine appreciation go a long way in creating lasting connections. So next time you reach for your phone, ask yourself, how can I make this message impossible to ignore? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more communication hacks. And hey, drop a comment below telling me which technique you're most excited to try. Trust me, the power to transform your communication is in your hands.